Hello, thank you for joining us for the CTSI Educational Module on Community Engagement Studios, CE Studios, offered here at the University at Buffalo. My name is Keenan Gibbons, and I am a Community Engagement Specialist with the CTSI. I am joined today by my co-presenter and fellow Community Engagement Specialist, Grace McKenzie. Community engagement is an important component of human participatory research here at UB. Some benefits of its usage include better informed research design, culturally appropriate interventions and meaningful outcomes, the ability to build mutual trust and respect between researchers and the community, the ability to accelerate the translation of scientific findings into practice, the ability to improve population health, and the ability to ground one's research in the principles of fairness, justice, empowerment, participation, and self-determination. The CE Studio model is a widely accepted community engagement tool developed by Vanderbilt University and used nationally throughout the CTSA consortium. It acknowledges that many investigators are not prepared to identify, recruit, convene, and/or engage stakeholders or prepare them for participation in research in an advisory capacity or as part of a research team. It is an effective tool to develop a strong partnership and to begin community participatory research. CE Studios involve community experts critiquing and providing input on different areas of studies. Our team works with researchers to plan the sessions and to identify community experts to advise on these particular areas. CE Studio models are a one-time session. They are meant to inform the development, implementation, and/or dissemination of a research study, and they are bidirectional. A CE Studio model is not a standing advisory board, a tool for recruiting research participants, a tool for data collection, such as a focus group, or community-based participatory research itself.
There are benefits to using the CE Studio model. The CE Studios have been used to get feedback on areas such as participant compensation, cultural appropriateness of study materials, participant recruitment and retention strategies, simplifying the consent process, and intervention design, survey design, ethical considerations, and translation of research findings into practice. There are various people on the CE Studio team. CE Studios are implemented by a team that includes a faculty researcher, CTSI community engagement team, and the community engagement team coordinates planning and logistics of the studio and also locates individuals for participation. There is also a skilled neutral community facilitator who is ideally from the intended community that the research is about. Do you have a project or investigator in mind? Anyone interested in a CE Studio should email us directly at gracemck@buffalo.edu. So that's my email address, gracemck@buffalo.edu. Please note that the CTSI has funds to cover up to 4 community engagement studios per year. So that is currently on a first-come, first-served basis. The cost includes a facilitator, community experts, and any transportation needs for a studio that is in person. The estimated cost to you, if you do have to fund a community engagement studio, is anywhere from $750 to $1,000. We would like to acknowledge the following contributions to our offerings of CE Studios. There are different virtual trainings that both Keenan and I have taken in order to offer the CE Studios at UB, and those trainings are listed here. We also like to acknowledge Vanderbilt University for designing and offering the trainings on the CE Studio models. This program is supported by the National Center for Advancing Translational Sciences of the National Institute of Health here at the University of Buffalo.